So once you have entered your course environment by selecting your course from the waffle drop-down menu, you will land on a page that looks like this. So you'll see that there's a link to go to your content, a link to go to where you would submit work, the internal email, and then this is more for the teacher. So you land in the content area, and as indicated in the email, you should start with the student information and read the general instructions. That is for all students in an e-learning hybrid or booklet course. So read the information so that you understand what it is that you are supposed to do, because you are not officially registered until you complete the 4 lessons and show your guidance counselor, and then they will register you in the course. So it's important that you understand that as soon as you finish submitting the work for those 4 lessons, that you should go immediately to your guidance counselor. But when you enter here as a pre-registered student, you can also see the information on the teacher. Now, if you come here and the information is not yet edited, then that means there may not be a teacher yet assigned to the course. And so just wait for that information to appear. There is information on technology support, and as well as there being information written on different topics, you can submit a support ticket from here. As well, you can look at the course information, so you can go in and read a description of what the course is all about. And then you would start the materials by going to Unit 1. You could start by reading the Unit 1 overview and then go to Activity 1. You can pop out these pages in full screen to read them in a larger way. If you have a course like this, then you will select the content area and complete the activities that are on this page. And you notice sometimes there's next and additional content pages to work through, just to limit how much is on the screen. Then you would go to the assignment area once you've done the content and complete the assignment that goes with this activity. Our newer courses are in a different format. So if you are in a e-learning hybrid newer course, go to the Unit 1 folder. Again, you can go read the unit overview, but you will have to hit a button to say go to activity, and then it will pop out in full screen. There will be some pop-ups to clear for the first time that you go to the page, and then you can start working through the activities. Now, this was the unit overview page, which then brings you to the activities, but back on the content page, I can also select Activity 1 and say go to activity. And again, it pops it out in a new tab, and you can start working through those activities. There's interactives and different elements in there. Okay, so this has a different visual appeal, just a little bit of a different approach in organizing the materials. Once you have completed that work, you should go to the Submit Work folder, choose the appropriate hand-in folder. You'll notice that there is sometimes more than one folder for the same activity. So in this case, there were 2 assignments, so you do submit them to different hand-in folders. Note that Turn It In is turned on for all hand-in folders, meaning that your work is going to be run through a originality checker. So once you've submitted your first 4 lessons, you can show your guidance counselor that you have made submissions to these folders, and then they will register you in the course. Once they register you, you will be able to see the rest of the course materials so that you can continue working on the course. If you wish to communicate with your teacher, please use the email tool in the course. If you go to the email tool and you're unsure how to email your teacher, then go to the teacher page and you can access their exact URL from here. So that's an overview of the e-learning hybrid courses.